Cheers.
Cheers.
So we both thought that we were both like mean because we didn't really speak to each other, but we were involved in like the same things. But we both have like a resting like I hate you face. So we both just thought we were really like mean people.
I thought it'd be like crazy all the time because we're very like loud and obnoxious. I guess just like moving her in because she has a lot of things, and like it was like 500 trips because we also had to switch my roommate at the same time.
Yeah.
So like it was just like so much going back and forth, and I was so tired because it was late at night. I just got off of work, but it was worth it.
Thank you. Okay, so Camryn really loves chips. So she kind of like she falls asleep before me. Like I fall asleep like an hour after she does, but she falls asleep. And then without recollection, she wakes up and grabs chips and starts eating them and then falls back asleep. And then she wakes up again, takes a few chips and eats them, and then falls back asleep. So like throughout the night, she's just eating chips all the time. And like I hate like crunching and stuff, so I listen to her do it, and I'm like, ah.
I don't like know I'm doing
She doesn't know
this,
she's
though.
doing it though.
I'm gonna miss Sarah.
I'm gonna miss Cam.
I mean, like, I don't know, it's like, there's always someone here. We're both on the e-board of SUP, we're both pros. What else do we do together every day?
The rec.
Then we work at the rec together. Like, we'll still, like, see each other, but it's just, like, not gonna be, like, the same.
I like that because we're both involved in the same things. We have to like be up at the same time. Like we have class at the same time, so we have to be up at the same time. We go to the same places, so like it was just easy like having someone to like go with, and like I guess just making sure you get up and like go on time. Like
She's just like me, so like I don't feel like as weird because I'm like, oh, there's someone else like that. Like
both a little weird and crazy.
So-